For the PCB industry, whether processing prepreg materials of different thicknesses or copper foils, Pasquato offers a variety of sheeting solutions designed to meet each customer's specific production requirements. The unwinding section can be configured with either a single or a dual unwind stand, providing greater flexibility in material handling and roll change operations. The shear slitting system has been specifically developed for PCB applications and is equipped with a dedicated dust extraction system to collect the particles generated during prepreg slitting. Magnetic powder brakes, roll diameter sensors, load cells, and servo motors provide advanced web tension control, ensuring high cutting accuracy and consistent product quality. Various stacking solutions are available, ranging from basic configurations with manual sheet removal by the operator to fully automatic gripper stacking systems, depending on the customer's production objectives. The machine control software is based on modern HMI interfaces, enabling production data exchange and integration with factory management systems in accordance with Industry 4.0 requirements. Contact Pasquato for further information or to arrange a material test.